Walmart age verification issues usually happen when the system cannot confirm your eligibility, the information entered does not match your account details, or the verification step is not completed correctly. By the end, you'll know why Walmart age verification problems happen, what information to check, and the steps to take when the verification process does not work. The first thing to check is the information you entered during the verification process. Age verification systems rely on accurate details, so incorrect or outdated information can prevent approval. Make sure your name, date of birth, and account information match your official records. Small differences between your Walmart account details and verification information can create problems. The next step is checking your Walmart account settings. If your account information needs to be updated, make those changes before trying the verification process again. Another common issue is incomplete verification. If the process was interrupted, the system may not have received all the required information. Restart the process and complete each step carefully. Device and app problems can also affect verification. If you are using the Walmart app, check that it is updated to the latest version. Older app versions can sometimes cause problems with account features. If the verification screen is not loading correctly, try closing and reopening the app or using another device or browser. This helps identify whether the issue is connected to the device rather than the account. Internet connection problems can also interrupt verification steps. Use a stable connection and avoid switching networks while completing the process. If Walmart still cannot verify your age after checking your information and settings, contact Walmart support.in. Provide details about the problem, the steps you already tried, and any error messages you received. Avoid repeatedly entering different information to force verification. Incorrect attempts can create more confusion and make it harder to identify the actual issue. The main fixes are simple. Confirm your personal information matches your records, complete every verification step, and check your app or device settings before contacting support. Your next step is to review your Walmart account details and try the verification process again with matching information. If this guide helped you understand Walmart age verification issues, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart app and account troubleshooting guides.